This is Soundarya Preeta, Deputy Chief of Bureau of the Hindu in Coimbatore. The MSMEs and the labor-intensive manufacturing sector have a reason to cheer as the budget announced by the Finance Minister on Tuesday have a special focus on these units. The sector has been going through a crisis phase for quite some time, and sectors such as textiles are seeing export market reviving after more than a year of slowdown. The MSMEs in the manufacturing space have been asking for various support measures from the government. The budget has announced support in terms of infrastructure development, skilling, and financial needs of the MSMEs and the labor-intensive manufacturing units. It also offers incentives for job creation. The job creation schemes are expected to bring down the labor cost by 2 to 3%, and the customs duty changes for ferrous and copper scrap will aid the entire supply chain by giving these units a cost advantage of 10 to 12% is what the industries here say. In terms of the major announcements for MSMEs, the budget has assured that a credit guarantee scheme will be developed for these units, and the Mudra loan limit has been increased to 20 lakhs from 10 lakhs. This is something that the units have been asking for. And in case of MSMEs that are under stress and need credit, the government has said that it will be done through a special government promoted fund. And this is an initial take on the budget announcement for these two sectors. For details, read online and the print edition of the Hindu.